So now the onus is basically on the NCB. The onus is on the NCB, Sahil, to justify asking for 4 more days of custody.
Well, their justification seems to be very clear. What the point they are trying to put forward is that all the 17 accused, some of them who were on the cruise, few of them were not on the cruise, but they were part of the peddlers network, and few of them, only 2 of them had been recovered with commercial quantity of narcotics. All of them are together in this network. So according to Narcotics Control Bureau, they have unearthed a big network. So according to them, this rave party was planned as a rave party in that event. So the people who are part of the event management, the people who organized that event have also been taken into custody. The people who were there on the on board the ship, or they were entering that ship, have also been taken into the custody. They have been arrested. 8 people. It clearly looks like that they didn't know each other, because neither NCB has claimed that Aryan or Arbaz knew Munmun, Mohak, or other people, Nupur, or other people who have been arrested from who belong to Delhi and NCR region. So they are saying that they are connected because they were invited for the rave party. Whereas what the Aryan's lawyers are trying to say, even Arbaz's lawyer, Arbaz's lawyer has made a very serious allegation. He has filed a bail petition already, but it is in abeyance because first there will be argument over the remand, and after that if the court sends him to the judicial custody, then the bail application may come forward.
Yeah.
But till then, both of them, their argument is that what it looks like is that they were invited separately. Neither of their chat revealed that they have been invited to, and told them earlier that they have been called for a rave party. And more than that, what you mentioned about Satish Mane Shinde, what I can understand is that they never expected that first of all he will be sent into the NCB custody at all, because nothing was found on him. But that's what the NCB has already clarified. In first 4 days, whenever there were arrests, there were reports that somebody has been arrested because Aryan has taken the name.
Yes.
Nobody was arrested on Aryan's instances. Nothing came out of his interrogation. Yesterday, when somebody was apprehended, day before yesterday on 6th, and Archit was arrested, for the first time, NCB has come forward in the court and said that Archit's name was taken by Aryan and Arbaz as well. So this is something which has come forward, and what they have recovered from Archit is 2.6 grams of ganja, which is not a commercial quantity. So NCB's argument is not on the quantity, whereas the people, the defense lawyers are arguing on the quantity, specifically Aryan, Arbaz and Archit's lawyers, and they are saying it's a non-commercial quantity. Why there is need for custody when 5 days he has already spent in the NCB custody? So that is how the difference of the, they are looking at the case in an individual manner, whereas the NCB says that everybody is together in this crime. This is whole nexus. This whole party was already planned. All of them were called to take part in the rave party, and the peddlers and others were supplying narcotic substances to them. So this is a big nexus, is what NCB is saying, whereas these people say that we have nothing to do with that nexus. We have been called for something else, and now we have been apprehended by NCB, and we have been told by NCB that you are part of the same nexus. Is what is the difference of argument between both of them. And now what has added to that is what the Nationalist Congress Party, Nawab Malik, made allegation yesterday.
Yeah.
But today that thing has not come forward at all in the court. At least Satish Mane Shinde, it looks like, doesn't want to antagonize NCB officials at this point of time.
Yeah,
so he says that he has no allegations against the
In fact, Sahil, I think that's the reason why Aryan and Aryan's side are basically constantly saying, we have no complaints with the phones being taken away as well. That sounds very much like what you're saying, that they don't want to antagonize the Narcotics Control Bureau. Yeah, finish your point.
One more point if I can add.
Yes.
They are trying to say that his phone is already with NCB.
Yeah.
Whatever they wanted to understand, the forensic has already been done. You remember Riyaz, at the time of Riyaz's case.
Yeah, absolutely.
ED downloaded all the data from Riya Chakravarti's phone and then handed over to NCB. The analysis was done within 2 days, and immediately the chats with respect to doobies and ganja and narcotics already came out in open, and then NCB started acting on those chats. Whereas in this case, nothing has come forward till now. But NCB keeps saying that this is the initial stage of the investigation. We should get a fair chance of investigating whatever we have come to know about right now.
Let's just remind our viewers.